everybody, my name is Natalie and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a craft out of things you hopefully have around your house. So for this craft today, you're not going to need much. You are just going to need a clothespin, 2 pipe cleaners, and whatever you like to color with. I would recommend like markers or paint for this craft. But out of all of these, we are going to be making a little dragonfly. Okay? So first things first, you're going to want to take your clothespin and you're going to want to color that however you want, whether that's like with paint or markers. So I just made my little dragonfly pink, but your dragonfly can be whatever color you want. So I just colored it all over. And then I went ahead and gave my dragonfly some eyes. So I just used some white and little bit of black to make my dragonfly's eyes. And then you'll need to let that dry. So once your dragonfly body is dry, you're going to pick 2 pipe cleaners, whatever colors you want, and we're going to make the wings out of these. So you're going to take your pipe cleaner and you're going to take both ends of it and you're going to push them in towards the middle, kind of like wings here, see? And then once you've got those evenly in the middle like that, you're going to take it and twist because you want them to stay like this. All right, so now it kind of looks like a bow. All right, and we're just going to do that again with the other pipe cleaner. You'll need 2. So you'll just take the ends and you'll bend them in. And then once you've got them where you like, you'll twist if you can get it to stay. Maybe. Alright, and then you are going to take these, and these are your wings, and you're gonna kind of want to crisscross them like this, so you'll have the 2 different wing colors like that. And then you'll open your dragonfly's mouth like you would, and you'll stick them in there. And then if you're gonna play with it a lot, I would glue them in and let them dry so they'll stay put. So you'll get them in there how you want and you'll glue them in, and then even hopefully if they're glued in and you want to open your dragonfly's mouth, they will stay put. But that is it for this craft. I hope this wasn't too difficult and I hope you had some fun. If you wanted to make this craft and you didn't have everything you needed at home, give us a call. We have some kits available and we'll let you know what we have, okay? Thanks, guys.